What if I told you a samurai could have technically sent a fax? It sounds like a glitch in the matrix, but the timeline is 100% real. Let's break down the weirdest historical overlap in history. We think of samurai as ancient warriors from the Middle Ages, but the samurai classes wasn't officially abolished until 1867 during the Meiji Restoration. Now look at the tech. In 1843, an inventor named Alexander Bain patented the electric printing telegraph, the world's first fax machine. This is a 24-year overlap. While the last samurai were still walking the streets of Edo with katanas, the blueprints for long-distance document scanning were already being filed in a patent office. But it gets even weirder. The samurai didn't just exist, they actually met the people building this technology. And in 1860, the worlds of katana and the telegraph finally met. This is the story of the first Japanese embassy to the United States, and it looked like a steampunk movie. When these samurai arrived in San Francisco and Europe, they were celebrities. They wore traditional silk robes and carried two swords, but they were there to study Western industry. They were documented seeing steam engines, massive printing presses, and yes, the early ancestors of the fax machine, the telegraph. This overlap proves that history isn't just a series of clean levels, it's messy. The old world doesn't just disappear, it sits in the same room as the futures for decades. A samurai could have literally read a telegraph about the invention of the telephone. History is closer than we think. What's another historical overlap that blows your mind? Drop in the comments and hit follow for more timeline glitches.